Hello there. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I do appreciate it. Today, I'm going to show you a casting technique called the reach cast. Now, you can kind of see where Jeff's sitting, right? There's a lot of stuff in your way here. So you can do similar to what he has done when he was fishing here. He did a nice roll cast to get the line out. Nice roll cast.
Yeah, learn from the best.
But there's also something called the reach cast, because there's really no way right now for you to get the fly out over there without either doing the roll cast or what they call the reach cast. And essentially what the reach cast is that your fly is going to go, your fly line is going to go where the tip of your rod goes. So if you can see, I'm casting right now parallel to the shore. I'm going to steer the fly out to the right at the very end, and the fly is going to go that way. So even though I've got all this stuff here, I'm going to shoot it out this way by using the reach cast. So I'm casting parallel, and then right at the end, I'm going to shoot it outwards. And just like that, the fly landed way out in the lake. So that is called the reach cast. So let me demonstrate that once again. So you're fishing parallel, or you're casting parallel to the shore, right? Because right now, if I were to cast this way, it would just go up into the trees here. And at the very end, just point the rod tip out on the final presentation cast, and everything follows. Watch. Just like that, and there's a fish rising out there, and I'm gonna catch it. So ready, reach cast. So just like that, everything just, oh man, oh, I missed it. Dang it. So, oh my God. So, let's see here. So there you go. So if you perform the reach cast, you can get the fly basically out in the lake, even though you have all this stuff in the back cast. So try that next time that you have limited space. Perform the reach cast, and you're going to find how easy it is just to shoot the line straight out, even though you really can't, right? Because it just follows the tip of the fly line follows the tip of your fly rod, just like that.
And you're over 30 feet out there.
Yeah. So there's your fly fishing tip for the day. And if you need a little help with your fly fishing cast, I put a tutorial together right here. 8 minutes. If you watch this, you're going to cast your fly line a little bit better. All right, everybody. Till the next time, fish on. Perfect.
Nice. That'd be great.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, yeah, they're so funny. You hooked up.